You might have heard about AI Assistant before, our AI plugin for WebStorm and all other JetBrains IDEs. Just recently, we launched a pretty big update to AI Assistant, and I want to walk you through how to use it in WebStorm so that you can be as productive as possible. Let's take a look and start with local AI completion. WebStorm ships with local AI models out of the box. They are free, they are fully local and offline, and they are great at code completion. I find that the more I use them, the more they feel like WebStorm's built-in autocompletion, but with even more insights and more advanced capabilities. And like I said, you don't have to do anything to get access to these models. They are built in and free within WebStorm. Then there's cloud completion, which uses AI models in the cloud and can do even more. You have to enable it by clicking the AI Assistant panel on the right and choose Install Plugin. If you ever need to dive deep into AI Assistant setting, you can go to the Settings, Tools, AI Assistant, and configure it there. You can also disable it entirely if you want to via the plugin settings. Once the plugin is enabled and you've logged in with your JetBrains account, you'll find a bunch of features in the AI Assistant panel. There's the chat, which you can use to ask questions. You can attach files, commits, and other information to fine-tune your prompts. You can manage custom prompts as well, choose which AI models you want to use. You can even plug in your own local models if you want to. There's web search available via the /web command. And finally, there's the mode selector. This is a pretty important one. We'll take a closer look at that in a second. I've mentioned it before. One of the most impactful features of AI Assistant is code completion, which is powered by Melon, our in-house LLM specifically trained for code completion. AI Assistant will suggest single-line completions or whole blobs of code. You can prompt it straight from within your code or use one of the built-in AI actions to generate documentation and even unit tests. Now, let's take a closer look at the mode selector. By default, AI Assistant will be in chat mode, which means you can ask general programming questions. In chat mode, AI Assistant will not use any context-related data unless the codebase button is toggled on. Then there's our new edit mode, currently in beta. In this mode, you can ask AI Assistant to make changes across files in bulk. An important difference between edit mode and an AI agent like JetBrains Gemini is that with edit mode, you will always have to review every change. It feels very similar to how you would refactor code. Let's talk about context as well. The more context our AI models have, the more accurate they can provide answers. In edit mode, we do our best to determine which files should be attached automatically. In chat mode, however, you can fine-tune the context as well. I've already shown you how to manually attach files and commits, but you can even attach window panels, symbols, or database reference. All of this information will help AI Assistant provide better answers. Not just that, but AI Assistant also gives you fine-grained control over the generated code, like for example the ability to review code before adding it to your codebase. So that is an overview of our updated AI Assistant, but in my experience, the best way to truly learn its power is to actually use it. AI completion is free to use in WebStorm, and you'll get limited access to other AI features for free as well. You can read all about pricing on the page linked in the description so that you can start with AI Assistant today. Enjoy!